Yeah, if I can, hope you can hear me all right. Let me know in comment if you can hear me. Feel free to like. Cool. Hey guys. Hey Lokesh. What's up? Am I audible? Am I audible? All clear? All good? Cool, cool, guys. Feel free to hit the like button. Hey Ashish. Hey Lokesh. Hey Fargan. Hey everyone. So I'm not going to change this. This remains the same because I will be live at 10:30 and will be focusing on more, most probably low level design because that I feel is the hardest topic in the interview. Team details. I feel like most of the people have uh, like from TCS. I have seen people move to different companies. So one way is that you resign before getting an offer, but that I won't suggest because that's like little bit risky. And my advice, if you have to take, would be accept apply to companies like Cisco. Those companies, those hiring managers are kind of understandable and they do accept 3 days, 3 months notice period that I am personally aware of. This is something that I personally have known that Cisco does accept. So there might be more companies like Cisco, right, to target those companies. Damn it, bro. Why is this not working? Now I think finally. Uh, Low level design stuff and chat. Paid batch. Bro, what I will do with the paid batch? Like, I'm thinking that I'll start teaching DSA like a live stream thing. But as of now, I'm not planning to do that. As of now, I have like 10 to 20 more videos that I have to create. After that, I'll see what else I can do. Uh, Feel free to hit the like, guys. I can see there are 5 to 10 people in the chat, but one like. So not sure who's that genuine person who really likes the stream. But yeah, it's cool. Abhijit Singh, bro, what should I teach in a paid batch? I think Abhijit Singh, bro, what should I teach? Uh, and how much money do you think is good enough? If you look at my top mid, right, I don't really like I'm not charging 2000 for a mock interview. I've seen people do that, but that's a personal choice. We'll see, bro. As of now, everything is on the YouTube. Most probably it will be that way only. Thank you, Lokesh, for liking, bro. Cool. I need to pick a problem. Which problem is good? So, just another update, guys, who are regular followers. So, on this link, I have updated some more things. So, if you guys see data structures, resources, low-level resources, I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm not going to spend time doing Uh, I've kind of become a person that who don't like to kind of sell things because it is what it is, right? So there's no point of selling things. So it's a simple bento. I'll probably, so down the line you'll see that this is going to have like tons of links. Takshil, no, you can directly start with C++. So if you go to this low level design, you'll find that this is low level and then uh, scale. So everyone should read this article, really good article. And one another update, guys. So there was a lot of ask that I should create a patterns video. So let me go to my YouTube. Let me go to my YouTube. I have started CP so till 13. Yes, yes, it is pure math. Pure math implementation. That's what it is, right? Math CP, like CP programmers, they are really good with maths. They are like math legends. But it won't be that hard, like Takshil. So 13 level is uh okay. So moving to the live part, right? Let me know if my voice is or if there is a background noise or something like that. So uh okay, so now I'm not able to see the votes, but here two out of 2019, most of the people had commented that I want lead code DSA. Probably you guys can because I'm logged in via Cognito, right? You can check it out. You can check it out. Just give me a second, guys. So you guys check this, right? There was most of the things on the patterns. Now, my aim is not to create some random stuff, right? So I started doing that, and that was one of the reason I had to create the Microsoft video first because this is going to take some effort. So, and these will be like problems, those are real time asked in interviews. So I have LeetCode Premium, so I know which problems are asked, how much time, right? So I have that data with me. So that's what I'm going to do. These will be most likely unique problems from LeetCode. And so this is the format. So this will be the problem link, and then you will have the solution. So solution will not be explained or what, just a submission that I make. So this is something that I did today. This is a hash set greedy. So probably my aim would be to have 5 on the each thing. And then other than this, uh, so there will be like uh, 20 to 25 folders and then 5 problems each, right? Those are like high frequency asked in interviews. So just uh, just start solving problems, right, guys? Whoever is watching, don't worry too much about where you will go, where you will not go. Just watch the video. Just solve the problem. Don't have to watch my videos and anyone else. Only watch videos whenever you are stuck or whenever you need some motivation. Uh, by the way, I'm going to, but I'm don't don't feel don't feel anxiety, bro. Takshil, you are just getting started. So, but yeah, that's part of. So there is today lead code contest. Takshil, you to participate. You should participate. So Takshil, participate in lead codes bi-weekly today and try to solve just the first one. If you are able to solve the first one, that's good enough. Try to do that. Today's lead code contest. So do that. Okay, just registered and that's it. Takshil, if I am like, okay, if I have to say something to you, right? If assuming that I was in a first year, right? So I'm not sure how much AI will change But DSA is a pure skill that will anyways help everyone, right? So by the end of second year, you should at least be in 200 after 2 years. Like I have never gotten a place up till 200 because I don't have a focus time, right? I do 1 hour here and there. That so if you want to be like this best in DSA, you have to spend like 6 hours, 8 hours studying problem solving hard problems. So that is something that I would be really pleased and proud if you by the end of your second year you are able to achieve. And so there will be a lot of cheating going on. So ignore that. Down the line after 3 months, you'll see that there will be website who will automatically track the cheaters out of it. So don't worry about those things. I think there are plenty of smart people out there who will create something like that, who can just rule out the cheaters from just think like this, right? So whenever we are in college, there are students who take phones to the exam center, right? Now they might score 90 out of 100. So you should not look at those people, right? That's the only thing because that's not helping your brain, that's not helping anyone. No, Saurav Kapade, I'll be live at 10:30 also. I have to, I was free, so I was about to do something. I'm about to start low level design, so just came for fun. So night stream will always be there. This is just for fun. Best way is to solve, bro. Best way to prepare for LLD is there is nothing like a best way, but I would say that you just watch this video once.
Guess what?
I have to do one more thing actually. I have to put all the Excalis in one link. That is also something that I will do today or tomorrow. So I have a lot of good Excalis created. Like this is a really good one. And in the same way there is for HLD and all. So probably I need to put all of these in one and then I'll create a section here, all my Excalis. So all my designs probably. And then you guys can just use that, right? That is going to help, I think. That's one thing that I need to do. Cool. So that's what I was saying, Peace Care. Just watch this video. Glad you were there listening. Most of the times I have seen that people ask question, but then they leave. They don't wait for answer. Uh, Peace Care M. What is Peace Care M? Peace Care M. Is it something? Not sure. Good morning, brother. Bro, 180, 150 problem you should know by heart. Like you should know the patterns by heart. So I solved three unknown problems today. So if you guys want to do it with me, you can just check this thing. Uh, I solved three unknown problems and all three had a different approach. And I was able to automatically solve those because I knew what is the pattern underlying, right? Based on how many problems I have solved. So that's the aim, that's the what do you say? Secret sauce, right? There is no secret sauce. So it's as simple as it gets. Guys. Simple, give like 6 hours every day if you're in college. If you're in college, I would give 8 hours every day. See, at some part of your life, you'll have to work hard. Either you work hard in your college. Yeah, rubric is tougher, bro. Rubric is way tougher. But Takshil, rubric's base is around uh, 40 for a fresher, 35 to 40. So let me show you. For some reason, not sure why, but this is also a good website, I think. This is also a good website. So rubric, right? Where is rubric? Stripe is also good. See, this is SD1. So 2 EOE, 42 base. So probably if it is like it's still SD1, so I think this might be a lateral switch. If you don't do a lateral switch, then it is like 35. That's something I've heard of. So rubric is crazy good, guys. Fresher. This is like a okay. One guy from my institute, from my friend's college, which is a private. Yeah, that's really good, bro. That's really good. Rubric is way tougher. Like that's why I'm saying that, right? If you, Takshil, if you reach this level, uh, if you reach this level, right? This level, then you'll crack rubric like by by charm. That will be piece of cake for you. Yeah, sorry, bro. Bro, off campus, make sure that you apply. Numbers is your game. You need to apply to more openings. That is something that you need to understand. And don't worry about the result, right? Whenever you guys do career websites, bro, that's okay, bro. You are just starting. But I would say just spend 1 hour and then see the solution. So, Takshil, your aim should be to 1800 to 2000, right? And in each section, you have to solve one problem. So that means you have to solve 1200 problems on code forces. Saurabh Kavade, not really, bro. But some basic nowadays you should have. So let's try to make this productive for both of us, right? Yeah. So what's the time? Focus mode 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Chat mode 3:30 p.m. p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Bro, basics means you should know the concepts. Like again, you will find the resources here. If you just go to this, right? So this is the basics. Just go through this article. This covers all the basic. What is cache? What is CDN? Just read this article. That's it. That is good enough. Again, the links are there in this. There are some more resources that I will attach here. Mhm. Mhm. So cool, guys. I see 10 people in the chat. Did I not reply to all of them? Let me just see. Off campus, bro, you have to apply to their career sites. SP, hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Iskar. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. So feel free to give stream the like, guys. If I'm planning to buy, don't buy, bro. It's your wish, bro. I'm not against anyone, but yeah. If the money is more than 100 rupees, then I'm out of referrals, bro, but I can guide you. You can apply to all the. I myself got into Microsoft without referral. So, but I can refer you after a couple of months if your resume and all is good. Yeah, Takshil, that's what I am against buying courses. But no, it's I have bought Udemy courses, right? So th those courses are like uh, 16 hours, and I paid 500 rupees for that, right? Anything that is more than 1000, I am against, right? 1000 is, I would say, is now things are getting expensive, as in like if things are it's not worth 1000, I would say, anything above. So even if I have to buy a course, right, I always see that if it is 400, 500 on Udemy, you can easily get. So yeah, Udemy at 300, right? Even that, even when you're in college, you can apply that social aid on Coursera, Udemy. So if you compare those teaching to YouTube and all, right? It don't mind me. I might also start something paid, but that will be like if I do anything expensive than 1000 or even 500, then you guys can unsubscribe me. I'm saying it live here on the stream. You can make a note of it. If I'm selling anything more than 1000, you guys can unsubscribe me. That will be a reality. But one thing I'll be doing, guys. So there is one thing that I'll be doing. Uh, so this channel, right, that I have, it's like getting, uh, it's like what I have to say. Uh, it's not very well organized because if you see, I have a lot of live streams, and then this live streams comes to the suggestion videos. Like it's not coming here, but if you'll open that in your for you section, live streams will come, right, which are not helpful. So probably I'm going to create a elegant engineer live channel down the line, maybe after 6 months or a year. So that will be pure live streams and this will be pure videos, right? So that I don't want to disturb the audience who don't really care about me speaking. That's something that I will do. So gonna split the channels. Cool, right? Enough said. We'll do the focus mode for 1 hour and then we'll Diksha, no, basics are only enough. We don't need to do. Software engineer can do a lot of things, Dakshil. It's a good question at your level. Uh, so to give you an example, you see this on the GitHub, right? So you see this on the GitHub. This is done by a software engineer. It's everything. If it is a backend role, it is everything. Your deployment and all that. So these things might be designed by UA engineer, but every time there will be a API call. So for example, let's do one thing. So if I refresh this, right, you see these are the API calls. So LeetCode uses GraphQL. So you might not be aware of it. There are different ways of calling. Either it is REST or it is GraphQL or it is web socket, right? RPC, gRPC, right? All right. So GraphQL is little bit faster now than it's a new thing. So you can see that when I refresh, the UI makes call to the backend, right? So now backend engineer has a job to give a response back. So this is the response. I am not a premium, so I got nothing. So this is a streak counter. My streak is 0. So all these APIs will be designed by some engineer. You see daily challenge. All these are API calls that is being made by the UI. So you'll see all this virtual contest null, right? And then there will be like problems. So you see contest and all this. So this all is done by backend engineer and then front-end engineer, right? Now SW is like a parent of that. SWT, you can, if I have to give you an example, SW can be front-end engineer, it could be backend engineer, he could be doing deployment. So let's say you have designed this application, but it is running in your local, right? So you need to deploy it to some server which is always running, reliable, something like cloud, all that, right? So why I'm explaining you this is because it needs to increase the curiosity, and you are very young. When I was like, I'll tell you a very funny thing, guys. I think so. When I was in 12th, right? I my friend, she used to say that. So there is always question, right? What do you want to become? So my friend used to say that she wanted to become a software engineer, and I did not know what software engineer is. I just used to sit beside her. So I also just used to repeat that I also want to become a software engineer, so that there are no follow-up questions, right? But it is really important to learn, and also, actually, nowadays world is more important, right? You could just do this. What does a software engineer do? See, design, develop, test, and maintain software systems, right? Now, give me practical example. You should ask this question to ChatGPT, right? Building a mobile application, requirement gathering, software design, testing. This is what I all explained to you, right? So just see, no one, when I was in school, I used to know how to use Facebook, but I never thought of it that you can use YouTube to uh, or to learn, basically, do lot of things, right? So if you guys see website like Code Forces and all, right? These are like from back in 2010, 2012. So this is a long game. This is not something newly created, right? So there is it's the only thing is that just now on YouTube also you'll see there are more vlogs than education, right? But down the line when you guys are like at 25 of age or stuff like that, right? You will know that education can really make your life easy. You can just work from home, from your home, or do a lot of stuff, right? Just need to put those hours. Yeah, that's the reason I never went to the code forces. One more thing that you have to understand is that if a website doesn't have a great UI, that's probably the best website out there. So if you guys see Hacker News, I think, uh, see this is. I have heard a lot of good things about this website, but do you really see this as a website portal? No one will ever see a news from here, right? Because it's just a JSON return. That's the best thing. Yeah, see, people already know Hacker News, right? If I when I was in college, if I had ever seen this portal, I would have never opened it because how simple it is, right? But you don't really need to spend time on the UI because at one stage of your time, uh, you guys will know that it's not worth selling things, right? But I really love LeetCode. They have a very good UI. That's the reason I like to spend time on this. Uh, but Codeforce is a different game, guys. Those guys are competitive programmers, like real competitive programmers. Those are aliens. Like huge respect for them. I personally have a huge respect for them. Cool. Yeah, enough said, enough talking. Yeah, it's worth it. You need to know backend though. Sorry, DSA though. Yeah, very true. Anchored has put a really very true thing. Access is there, will is missing. Anchored is probably like a experienced guy. At least it feels like. Hey Manas, hello bro. How are you? Nice, nice brother and kid. DSA homework pattern. Nice. Hey, yes, you should include the projects. I'm not able to tag you, but yes, you should. But time, I don't know, bro. Time is like, is Java? No, no, no. You know. Yes, bro. Yes, yes. See, Takshil is answering the questions now. Good, bro. Help other people. So let me know, guy. Let me know what do you think of this. This is good enough, right? All the links at one place. This will increase, right? So this is just on my top of my mind. Probably for LLD there will be 4 to 5 links. DSA will have huge links. I need to put neat code list there and then hello interviews. This is good enough, I think. Manas, yes, bro. My CGP is 9.4. Should I not include it? I was top 5 of my branch. If I don't include it, then there is no use of it. V. Shankar, it depends on who you are taking the mentorship from. I myself have taken mentorship from a lot of people from top mid, but make sure you get the value of how much money you are putting in, right? So what I used to think like is that uh, if someone is charging around 5,000 per month, right, based on the sessions, that is good enough. So that should be 9.2 is really good, bro. Anything above 8 is awesome. 8.5 is awesome. Plus plus above 9 doesn't really matter. Yeah, yeah, I know, bro. Incred, you have a good sense of humor. If anyone has a CGP more than 8 is good enough. You don't really need more than 8. Yeah, yeah, try to see if you can put 8.5, but focus more on DSA. Yes, that is good, bro. 6K per month is, I think, good. V. Shankar. Like, if I have to tell you how much I paid, so I used to have 300 rupees, not 300, 400 rupees per hour sessions, and around 2 to 3 sessions every week. So that comes to around 1,000. And then 1,000 into 4, that's like 4,000. And I did this for like 3 months, so 12,000 around that. DSA. Feel free to hit the like button, guys. Lot of people on the stream, but no likes. I think I might have answered more than 10 questions at least. This is the like that I'm talking about. Just to be clear, right? I'm not talking about the reactions. V Shankar, you can probably go to my top mid, bro. You can go to this top mid. If you find these prices are okay, you can book a session with me. Uh, we can talk. But it's like depends on your goals, right? First of all, just check my LinkedIn lead code and all, right? If you find me suitable, then only we can discuss. Everything is there in this site, guys. Bento, Jagrat, that's it. Everything that I'll be creating, I'll put it here. I can't really change the structure because this is not my website. Probably down the line, I can, if you open it on your laptop, it is going to look something like this, which is very clean, right? So probably I'll create one page for myself also, but it's a waste of time as of now. It's usable, it's good. Why not use it? Bro, we can talk, V Shankar. You can connect with me via LinkedIn or via TopMate. See, not sure what does long-term membership mean. I never asked someone for long-term membership. I just booked 10 sessions with them on TopMate. It automatically became a long-term membership, right? So it's as simple as it gets. Off campus, Manas. Start applying from today itself. Meanwhile, this stream is going to apply to 10 openings. Don't restrict yourself by your college, guys. Once you get into a decent company that is well known, 10 LP or anything, you guys will eventually, then your college doesn't matter, really. You just need to reach that level once. Nice one, Jida. Really shit also. Don't just leave it halfway. Cool, guys. I'll not be looking at the chat. Now we'll look at the chat. At Hey guys, I'm back. This was a good productive session. Not sure how many guys were seeing, but this is a fairly good design. I use this. So again, you'll find the link to this in my resources. So kudos to Ashish for creating this thing. It's really good. There are some doubts in my mind, but I think this is a good design. Probably have to clean the diagram a bit, but overall it was a good 45 minutes productive session. So Pratik, hey bro, congratulations. Happy for you. Congrats, bro. AXA Global Business Services. AXA Global Business Services. Do you mind telling how was the interview experience? Did he ask you DSA lead code? Just like one line, probably. How did you apply like this if you're listening? Uh, uh, Portal. Let me go to the top like this. If you So we are doing a Q&A, guys. So like this portal, DSA, LLD, HLD, HM, like this. Can you? It would be helpful for others, I guess. But yeah. Uh, but happy for you, bro. Akhil, hey Akhil, elegant. Do you speak? Yes, I can speak. Fortunately, thanks to God. So focus mode. I was on a focus mode. If anyone is wondering, we had a really good. At least I had a really good learning session. I learned how one could design splitwise. Now I'll do the code part of it. Class diagram is good enough. This was a good session. Okay. In binary search, which one to use when I'm in first year? Very confusing. Less than equal to E will be fine, bro. Less than equal to E. Just do a dry run of binary search, bro, once. So did the consultancy reach out to you via uh, Naukri or some other portal? Okay, okay, just to answer you, right? Both will fine work fine, right? Just try to do a dry run. Like even if you put equal to, when you will do a mid of it, right? Nice, nice. If you know Spring Boot, then I think it is easy. Offers a great work-life balance and flexible schedule. Nice. I think rating is nice, bro. Good organization. How do they find you? Like how do the consultancy find you? Oh, bro, I need to change this sound. It feels like a gong. Oh my God. How do I stop? Yeah, now it is. But cool, guys. I'll be taking break for some time. Probably it's break time. Man, the sound needs to be changed. The sound is really. It's like a gong. Yeah, 12 minutes break is good enough. Yeah, please go at the queue. Oh, you guys are also able to hear the sound, bro. It's really, really. Akhil Madhu learning. What are you saying, bro? I did not understand. Did not understand what you have written there. This sound is. I thought you. I have a noise cancelling headphone, so it hit my. You can imagine how bad it was for my ear. Yeah, I think AXA has a good reviews, bro, Prateek. So happy for you, bro. So, Prateek, question for you. How did you navigate the 3 months notice period thing? Did you already have offers or which companies do support 3 months notice period? The thing is that I am getting MacBook Air M4 for 70K, but two, so I thought of taking an external, but there will not be which framework you want, right? There is no framework. Those are like no framework is more than MBs. Frameworks are in MBs. Like if you have to download Spring, only thing is that little bit hard would be Android development for you, like Android Studio. For some reason, there are, oh bro, which which Pomodoro is going on? Damn. Sorry, even I also don't know, guys. Which I have like tons of Pomodoro, I think, going on the side. Not sure which one was this. God knows which one was this. I have only one this running. This should only. Where is the other one running, bro? I also need to find it out. Where is it? This is not running. How many Mozilla tabs do I have open? Scally, are there? God knows, bro. Somewhere some Scally is running. But yeah, cool. I'm so sorry, bro. I have to find these out. I was just trying out various extension before this Google Meet, sorry, before this live stream, and then I came to know about. So yeah, most of the frameworks, right? So Android Studio download. Let me just download it for you. See how much is it? Android Studio. Yeah, 1 GB only. So probably all your things will fit in like 15 to 20 GB. That's enough. And then all your photos and all will most probably go to that. 256. When I was in college, I had a laptop of 128 SSD. So I had a MacBook Air 2017 model. I had this silver one. This. Oh, it is of 18,000 now. I had this exact same model. So worked like charm, bro. I think I did not face any issues other than this. So that's what I would say. You don't really need any expensive or like, not expensive, big. You don't have there are not many big softwares or frameworks. By frameworks, I think you mean something like Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot size would be like 50 MB, I guess, or maybe 200 MB, not more than that. It would be very, very small. Yeah, yeah. The React is very small, bro. React would be like in MBs, and you will do like pip install most probably. But don't worry about that. But 258 is good enough for all of those. Mm. React is like 5.3 KB. Even if let's say we call it like 100 MB, it's like really less. Yeah, TensorFlow. I'm currently using M1. Should I upgrade to M4? It's okay, bro. Manas, once you get placed, then you can upgrade. So these are things will work. TensorFlow, Jupyter, Anaconda, Anaconda. Anaconda is probably big. Oh my god, Anaconda tool. Yeah, Anaconda is like minimum 3 GB. So this is like I remember installing Anaconda. This takes a lot of your bandwidth. So this is like to run models and all back then. So this takes a lot of bandwidth. Yeah, M1 is good enough, bro. I have M2 now. Don't want it to go to waste. The thing is I have saved around 30K. I think M4 should be good. Drop a link which laptop you are seeing. Amazon MacBook M4 256 GB. The Intel and all those are really slow. I personally find them really, really slow. So this one, right, with some HDFC Bank you will get for 70. Yeah, I think you should go with this one, bro. My personal, that's my personal choice. Yeah, Manas, year you are in? Manas, which year you are in? Yeah, Manas has been using MacBook from 3 years, bro. So hi, bro. I am fresher. I am in first year, completed C language and started DSA module. Yeah, yeah, learn React, bro. But HTML, CSS is good, bro. You have to learn basics. DSA is something that is going to get you placed, bro. Like you are now in second year, right? Uh, so let's see Microsoft internship third year. So this is like starting of interview experience, right? So you see this. Uh, Ria Agarwal has posted this, and this is of last year, Jan 2020. I wanna might looked up this and this. See, you don't need to practice 150. Some upload. Okay, sure. Yes, luck matters. Okay. So what I want to do is I was giving lot of OS that time. So I was given, I don't remember. So you guys see this, right? Two rounds of technical interviews, 45 minutes each. They were easy to medium lead code level questions. So now what will you do, Akhil Madhul learning? What you will do with React, bro? You need to know DSA first, otherwise you will not be able to clear the way. That's first thing, okay? So let's say you have cleared the way. Then you go to technical interviews. Now technical, then we jumped right into DSA questions. No one cares about who you are, how much CGP you have, as long as it is more than a standard binary tree question. I was able to explain code it in 10 minutes because she had some practice. Okay. So this she was stuck and whatnot. And then second is then just a technical and HR, right? So this is like computer science fundamental. So you basically only have one round and let's go. You are into Microsoft. So yes, bro, there is some money. Akshay, you guys can read this article. Yeah, see, this is true. But this is so in this article, right? I'll say this is not a good advice. Just do 160 10 hard. That's like a really, really lucky scenario, guys. But see, by the end of fifth sem, so that's like starting of third year. But that's like this. This is bullshit. Quality over quantity. That's bullshit. You can't learn anything with 160 problems, and there's nothing like this quality. You still have to participate in contest. It was just an easy interview. That's it, and you don't have much expectations from second year like a third year student. But this quality over quantity is a bullshit thing. Don't just think like if I can so Takshil is new here. So Takshil, you solve 150 problems and then we'll see how much level you are at. Okay, this is like a bullshit crazy thing. It's just a lucky. Cool guys. But yeah, who am I to say anything? I think as a damn bro, I need this needs to go away, bro. Skip, skip, reset, reset, remove, remove. Yes, remove. Bro, it is okay, bro. Takshil, you know for loop. I'm telling you, bro, you should solve the first problem. You know for loop, right? For loop is not a data structure. For loop is just a concept of programming. So 19 people in the chat and 17 likes, but yeah, no worries. Manas, no dev. It was my brother's day. He did it slow after constant use. That's okay, bro. Mac mostly works fine, bro. It's not like other laptops. So no dev. What do you mean no dev? Minus answered your question. Cool guys, what else? What else? What else? Yeah, I3 works fine. But anyway, bro, you have to do development sometimes. So I was going to search something on. Yeah, I was going to see the score. Let's just hope India wins. Yeah, bro, I have tried HackerRank. I have solved so many problems on HackerRank also. It is not, you might have only solved easy problems. Let's see if I'm able to find. If I search this, my name comes on LinkedIn. That's good. What if I just, what if I just search this? Oh, my Instagram also comes. This is not me. This is someone else. This is me. That is based on my previous history, but I'm in incognito. Cool. Yes, I have solved HackerRank questions, and you should also solve. But saying it is easy, that depends on what problem you're solving, right? Resources, where is problems? Like when I had like 6 stars in problem solving on HackerRank. Doesn't matter much, but yeah. Yeah, this one. I had six. So this problem solving, right? I had 6 stars. But it depends on which problem you are solving. Let's say if we go to algorithms and then you solve this hard problem, it will have a very less acceptance, first of all. You'll see these are tough problems. Build a palindrome. Okay, I'll have to sign in, which I don't want to do. But yeah, you guys should do that because their problem statements are big. Yeah, Takshil, you should try for ICPC, bro. I didn't even know, bro, what is ICPC. That's one of the reason that I am running this channel. Yes, that's good. Learn everything about ICPC, Dakhil. You are at right stage. Yeah, ICPC guys are good, bro. They're at least expert or coordinated masters. I didn't even know what is ICPC. I came to know when I was placed. After getting placed, I came to know. It all depends on who your circle is in college. I had really good friends, but we all were hardworking when it comes to CGPA, but we didn't have any hardcore coders in my group at least. So that's one of the reason that I run this channel. But yeah, GSOC is good, bro, but your life doesn't depend on it. See, no one, see, just so we saw the interview experience, right? No one is going to judge you whether you have done lead code or, sorry, GSOC or not. It is good thing, bro. If I were you, Takshil, I would do both. It's Google Summer of Code. I would do both, bro. ICPC and GSOC. Life is going to be fun. So read about it. It's by Google, bro. Google Summer of Code, and you will get money also, and you will learn everything. So I came to know about this in fourth year. God knows why I came to know about all the good things in fourth year only. So you have to be in college. Like this, like back then, this used to happen when you were like during your summer vacation. But after fourth year, you don't really have a summer vacation, right? The tier eliminators are really good. I think that is also run by someone from Google. So those guys are good. You should always stay touch in, like subscribe to their channels, and all the college students should subscribe to Striver's channel and Aditya Verma's channel and this TL Enumerators. I have not watched their videos, but I have just saw LinkedIn post. And then these all Apna College, Apna, these are also good. I have not watched them, but these are like all educated guys only, right? As long as you are not paying anything, like not paying 5,000, 6,000 on watching YouTube video is always free because you guys have 100 MB plan or how much plan. There was someone's comment. Bro, do you have any favorite domain backend? Favorite domain, you mean like I love Java, I love backend. Those are my favorite domains. Are you a Ronaldo fan? 07 is there. No, no, 07 is my Pratik. 07 is my favorite number, but I am more of a Messi fan. Messi. No, bro, no. So how much time it has been, Gaurav Chaudhary? Yeah, 1 lakh is crazy, bro. Hey, Lone, if I am probably going to end the stream, bro, in another 10 minutes. Yes, yes. Gaurav Chaudhary now start doing LLD, bro, and then HLD, and then start applying. You can start applying now also, Gaurav Chaudhary. Bro, no, no, I am not ignoring. You just copy paste your chat again, guys. I'm not ignoring. Like, I don't know any one of you personally, right? There is no reason that I would ignore anyone's comment and reply to. No one is like my favorite, and none of you guys is also not paying me, right? So why would I just ignore someone's text? It just got missed. So Sayog, any watch list for Bay? Bro, I don't do DSA in C++. I would just say that do the NEET code 150, and then if you face problem, just watch their YouTube video. That's it. Shirish Kejar, yes, SRE engineering role is good, bro. It's like I would say not good as good as software engineer, but yeah, it's good. Free food in Microsoft, yes. There are some coupons, but yeah, Microsoft is great company to work for, bro. Free fruit, free snacks, everything. See, Takshil, I'll give you one reality check, right? So you know everything now. And if after 2 to 3 years you have not done hard work, you come to me or you come to this live stream and say that, oh, I did not do DSA, I know nothing, then it is completely on you, bro. Just giving you a reality check here. That now it is your time to do hard work, right? And I'm hoping that you're doing that. So if after 3 years you come in and say that, okay, you have not done CP, you have neither done DSA, you have practical example in front of you that how your friend went into rubric, right? And he's I think from tier 3 only college. So now the ball is in your court. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like even I can give an excuse that I did not know, but I knew that CGP is important. That was something that was told to me. So I had like really, really good CGPA. So now a lot of people have told you, you have practically seen. Another thing is try to learn about what all these companies does, like what Rubrik does, uh, what Atlassian does. Kirti Narayan, that's okay, bro. No need to attend hackathons, bro. How to overcome 3 months? Prasanna P, I think if you go little bit top on the chat, Pratik was kind enough to answer is I first put resignation and then started searching, but I recommend it's very stressful. Better to get offer from a company like TCS and Capgemini than put in resignation and then start searching. Also, best is to put serving notice in Naukri 2 months prior of resignation, so that profile gets optimized. So that's your hack, bro. Alone F, yes, yes, I remember you, bro. You were the one who asked most questions. Your achievement can be a top performer on LeetCode contest and all. Caesar, there is nothing that you should think of it like uh, think of ahead of yourself. Don't try to compare it with others. But if you want to grow, you will probably try to look for a software engineering role. That would be my advice to you. Gaurav Chaudhary, bro, it depends on how much you are earning today. If you want to, I would not recommend you to put in your compensation details and all in the live. You can probably connect with me on LinkedIn or TopMate, like just book a 10-minute session. That's like 100 rupees, or I think. So just a 10 minutes would be fine. You don't really have to book a big one because you don't have any big questions. Cool, cool, cool. Hey, bro, after doing some DSA, what I observed my. So do more problems alone, FF. Do more problems. Takshil Shetty, yes. All the best, bro. Gaurav Chaudhary, thank you, sir. Feel free to comment, guys, if you watch that, and also like this stream. I need to find a better marketing team, I think. But yeah, it's okay, bro. Alone, if you need to practice more, bro. Your logic building is coming, that is good. Now practice more. Practice more and practice more. That's it. Kirti Narayan, instead of saying this, you can copy paste the question again, bro. I always told right, Kirti Narayan, to you that you can just say that you have good rating on LeetCode. Takshil, where you are from and what is your uh, which college you are going to? Bro, everything is here, bro. It's there in my YouTube channel. Try to participate better in LeetCode contest, Kirti. That's the only way. Oh, nice. Bangalore, I've heard is good. It has good beach and all. I've heard that. It has good beach and all. No, no, you don't need to go with books, bro. My health is very bad, bro. So I'm just recovering. Slowly, I'm recovering. But my health is really bad. Thanks for asking. Okay, cool, guys. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you tonight at 10:30. All the best. Uh, Happy coding. Take care.